Okay, this is the S98 and this is the OTG USB port for the S98, and this is a transfer USB cable. Now I will connect the S98 with this keyboard and show you that this USB port is an OTG port. It needs to connect with the computer since it needs the electricity. Now this is the cable of the keyboard. Now, okay, let's try to. Okay, now let's try to type some letters in the S98. See, it works. And now let's try to. Okay, let's try to connect to a mouse. This is this one. Let's try to connect. Okay, now let's see. Let's try click this one, and it is okay. See, okay, let's try this next. This, okay, come back. So for the S98, this USB interface is the OTG USB interface.